Sentence, the functional unit of language formed by a set of words that makes complete sense, is called a sentence. It always ends with a punctuation mark. See if the following group of words justify the above definition. The commander's patriotic speech infused zeal in the soldiers. The man is a wonderful creation of God. Today you are where I wanted to see you. Causing natural imbalance on the ecological and depletion resource of the earth. Expects truth and honesty, a disciplined, true, and students teacher with. What do you gather from the above example? Does any of them comply with the definition of a sentence? Let us analyze them one by one. Sentence 1. It is well arranged group of words ending with a mark of punctuation. Full stop. It has a clear and complete meaning. There is a commander and there are some soldiers. The commander speaks to these soldiers. The speech of the commander is patriotic, which instills zeal in these soldiers. Thus, this group of words is a sentence. This also is a meaningful group of words ending with mark of punctuation or full stop. It gives a clear and complete sense that man is a remarkable creature made by God. Therefore, it is a sentence. Sentence number 3. This also is a sentence as it gives a complete meaning and ends with a full stop. It tells of the progress you has made over the years. Sentence 4. It is difficult to make anything from this example in this group of words. The words are individually meaningful but collectively meaningless. This group of unsystematically arranged words cannot be called a sentence. Sentence 5. Again, the words in this group are individually meaningful but collectively do not convey any understandable sense. Therefore, it is merely a meaningless group of meaningful words and is not a sentence at all. Remember, a sentence essentially ends with a mark of punctuation that can be full stop, mark of interrogations, mark of exclamation, without which it is merely a group of words. The words in a sentence should be arranged according to the rules of the grammar. Various kinds of words help in the formation of a sentence. Exercise time. So unit of the sentence. A sentence is a combination of the following units: word, phrase, and clause. So let's see what the definition of the aligned features of these units are. First is word. A word is a fixed arrangement of some letters that stands for some item or has an independent identity. For example, fruit, animal, man, education, morality, nation, love, honesty, speak, dance, etc. Each of the preceding groups of letters represents a separate item having its independent meaning. So, things to be remembered: a word is the fundamental unit of language that helps in the formation of higher unit. So, what is the fundamental unit of language? Second one, a sentence can have any number of words depending on the number of units an idea, concept, feeling, expressions may have. Third point, every word has definite functional identity, that is element called part of speech. A word can assume various forms performing various functions in a sentence. The meaning of a word can be both independent of or dependent on the meaning of the other words, as it happens in the case of structured words. A word can have different functions in different sentences. So next is phrase. A phrase is set of words grouped together to express a partial sense. It expresses the half sense, partial sense only. Example: the chair is made of wood. Made of a phrase. An X was lying in the corner. So in the corner, phrase. One suffers because of one's follies. So because of phrase. We could achieve our goal by dint of hard work, by dint of phrase. This is an era wherein almost all are caught in the rat race. In the rat race phrase. Try to get to the root of the matter phrase. So you must have observed in the above examples that made up of sentence 1, in the corner sentence 2, because of sentence 3. By dint of sentence for uh, the the rat race, sentence 5, root in the matter, sentence 5. Therefore, all the highlighted group of words are phrases. They have meaning and have been used as distinct elements in their respective sentences. So things to be remembered. A phrase is a bigger unit than a word. A phrase conveys a fraction of the complete meaning of a sentence. A phrase can work in the capacity of any of the elements of a sentence: subject, verb, object, etc. Language assumes complexity and sophistications with the use of phrases. Third one is clause.